Welcome to this tutorial on how Experian Boost works. Experian Boost is a free service offered by Experian that allows you to add positive payment history from your utility and telecom bills to your credit report. This can be especially helpful for people who are new to credit or have a thin credit file. First, you need to sign up for Experian Boost on the Experian website. You will be asked to create an account and link your bank accounts to the service. This will allow Experian to access your payment history and add it to your credit report. Once you have linked your bank accounts, you can select which utility and telecom bills you want to add to your credit report. This can include bills such as your electricity, gas, water, and phone bills. Experian will then verify your payment history and add it to your credit report. Experian Boost can help improve your credit score by adding positive payment history to your credit report. This can be especially helpful for people who have a limited credit history or have made mistakes in the past. By adding positive payment history, you can demonstrate to lenders that you are responsible and can make on-time payments. It is important to note that Experian Boost only adds positive payment history to your credit report. If you have missed payments or have negative marks on your credit report, Experian Boost will not remove them. However, by adding positive payment history, you can offset the negative marks and improve your overall credit score. To get the most out of Experian Boost, it is best to link all of your bank accounts and select all of your utility and telecom bills. This will give Experian the most complete picture of your payment history and allow them to add the most positive payment history to your credit report. In addition, it is a good idea to monitor your credit report regularly to ensure that the information is accurate and up to date. You can do this by checking your credit report on the Experian website or by using a credit monitoring service. Overall, Experian Boost is a free and easy way to improve your credit score by adding positive payment history from your utility and telecom bills. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of Experian Boost and improve your overall credit score.